So I want to show you guys how to switch the language, caption language, in a YouTube video from English to Spanish to whatever language you want it to be in. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that real quick here, and then we're going to, well, hopefully that'll be something you can do on your own if you want to have it in Spanish or another language. All right, here we go. So all you got to do now is go click on the captioning. As you can see, the captions are coming in English. You click on settings, go to subtitle, it says English auto generated. Go to auto translate and then choose your language. It can be any of these. I mean, there's, wow, I don't even know how many languages are here, but there's a lot of them, okay? So you choose probably Spanish, which would be the #1 language for most of my students, all right? And there it is, auto generated in Spanish. And it will play it back in Spanish for you if needed. There you go. Buenos dias.